Jai Hind everyone. I am Sergeant Simran Kaur, student of ST College Barnala, NCC cadet of 20 Punjab Battalion, NCC Bathinda, Group Headquarter Patiala, Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh and Chandigarh Directorate. In EBSB camps, we come to know about various states of India, and today we are going to know about Haryana state. So, our today's topic is Haryana state. The residents of Haryana greets people by saying Ram Ram Ji. Introduction of Haryana. Haryana is a landlocked state of northern India. It shares the geographical boundaries with Delhi, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh. Chandigarh is the joint capital of Haryana and Punjab state, which is also a union territory. Before independence, this region was the part of Punjab province, and post-independence, it was a part of joint Punjab state. On the 1st November 1966, joint Punjab state was reorganized and Haryana state came in existence. Hence, 1st November is celebrated as Haryana Day. The current population of Haryana is around 2.9 crores. Current 10th Chief Minister of Haryana is Shri Manohar Lal Khattar and the Honorable Governor is Shri Satyadev Narayan Arya. History of Haryana. The history of Haryana is old age, which has its presence since Vedic era. Historically, it is observed that traces of old Stone Age were found in foothills of Shivalik ranges. The sites where these traces were found are in Kalka and Pinjore divisions. Harappan civilization. The great Indian urban civilization, namely Harappan civilization, was existed and flourished here. There are various settlements in current Haryana and Rakhigadi is the biggest settlement of Republic of India. Vedic era. It is the land of Veds. The ancient name of Haryana was known as Brahmvarta. First time Haryana name was used in Rig Veda. It has prominent places in Mahabharat, that is, Battle of Mahabharat was witnessed here. It is considered to be the land of Aryans. Mauryans, Kushan, Gupta, Yodhe and Harshvardhan Empire. This geographical location was under the rule of various emperors. Hence, it remains the war field since ages. Delhi Sultanate and Mughals. This region was directly controlled by Delhi Sultanate and the Mughals, followed by Britishers. British colonial era. From 1858 to 1947, it was administered as part of Punjab province and later by Republic of India. Now, we'll know about geography of Haryana. The area of state of Haryana is about 44,212 square kilometers. As per area, it stands at 20th position among the states of Republic India. The longitude and latitude of Haryana is 30 degree 35 inches north, 27 degree 39 inches north, 74 degree 28 inches east and 77 degree 36 inches east respectively. The four main geographical features are Yamuna Ghaggar Plain. It is the largest part of state. Shivalik Hills. It's the northeast foothills of Himalayas. Semi-deserts. It's in southwest region. Aravalli Hill Range. It lies in the south. The major rivers of Haryana are Yamuna River in eastern part, Ghaggar in northern part, Shabi River in southern part. The western Yamuna Canal is the largest irrigation covering canal. Bhakhara Canal, Jawaharlal Canal and Bhiwani Canal are other important canals of Haryana. Now we'll know about economy of Haryana. Haryana's economy is agriculture based economy. The GDP of state is rupees 8.31 lakh crore and it ranked to 13th in India. It had GDP growth of 7.7% in 2019 and 2020. Agriculture contributes to 16% of GDP. The GDP per capita is rupees 2,64,207. Good practices and achievements of Haryana. Haryana has given maximum number of players in various national and international games. It had brought maximum medals for country. It is pioneer in various government projects like Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, Parivar Pehchan Patra Yojana, etc. Daughters of India like Kalpana Chawla, Manushi Chillar, Sakshi Malik, Fogart sisters, Sushma Swaraj, Saina Nehwal, Mamta Kharab, Suman Bala, Malaika Sherawat, Juhi Chawla, etc. hails from the land of Haryana. General V.K. Singh and General Dalbir Singh Suhag had contributed as Chief of Army Staff for Indian Army. SWOT analysis of Haryana. Strength. State have lot of agriculture land. People are keen to contribute in sports and Indian defense services. Weakness. Sex ratio is imbalanced. Opportunities. Women empowerment in every sector of the society. Threats. Female feticide leading to imbalance in sex ratio, improper implementation of various government policies at ground level. Conclusion. In spite of various roadblockers, Haryana is still a leading state by implementing various national policies and new initiatives to overcome the existing hurdles. The people of Haryana are bringing medals and glory to the nation in one or another domain. राम राम जी, जय हिंद, जय भारत।
सुन ले मेरा ठिकाना रे इस भारत में हरियाणा रे। सुन ले मेरा ठिकाना रे इस भारत में हरियाणा रे। इस भारत में हरियाणा रे, इस भारत में हरियाणा।